Hello, this is Mahmood, and I'm back with another video. This is really exciting one, and I'm really pumped up to get started on this because this is like actually showing you some interesting use cases for Google's Nano Banana. Yeah, I know that's a really fancy name, but it's basically Gemini Flash 2.5 with the image model named as Nano Banana. It came out around like 2 weeks ago, and it's been on fire. Like people have started doing some crazy like generating amazing, stunning pictures and sharing on social media. I also played around with it like last week maybe, and I posted on just randomly. I just posted on LinkedIn and got really good response. This is the post, and as you can see, I normally don't get that many reactions and impressions. So this picture is from 2017, and I turned it into like a TED Talk related video. Sorry, picture. So then I thought to like I saw that people are sharing a lot of videos and cool pictures that are generated, and I thought to myself like how we can think of it and from the business perspective. What are the use cases in different industries? So this is so I did some like deep dive into various use cases and tried different prompts and generated some great images. So I thought to record this video and share with you some of the samples, as well as I made this document. So you can check this out in the link in the description. So you can have all these prompts and try it yourself. I've also mentioned like what tools you can use to like try these prompts and generate images within seconds. So um, so about myself, like this Reliant is my company, and we help businesses with AI strategy and implementation, custom AI agents and process automation, and team training related to AI. So if you're interested in any of this, feel free to book a call. So let's get started. First one is very straightforward and very interesting and useful use case where instead of uh, having a product for mockup and image generated in a studio or very fancy environment, you can just enter a prompt and get it done. You can also take a picture of your product and upload it with the prompt and ask Nano Banana to enhance the image or something like that. So in this prompt, I've written an elegant mockup of a new skincare product bottle with realistic lighting and reflection. So in your case, you can upload your image and with your phone, and then along with that, you can write a prompt like this. So this is very straightforward and very useful application of Nano Banana. Then we come to media. So this is come something for like YouTube. So striking thumbnail for a YouTube video talking about cooking with a close up shot of a perfectly plated meal. So as you can see, it did a great job of um, perfectly created meal, and this one is built more on a fantasy side, generate a digital backdrop for a fantasy film scene, and then so if you want to create a logo, I just wrote a simple prompt and did a good job. And then architecture and interior design. So this is an empty room. I uploaded this picture and wrote this prompt, and it turned into like a furnished room with whatever I wrote in the prompt. Then I gave it a rough sketch of a building, and then it transformed into a realistic building. And if you are like in the education space, you can like create infographics that you can, engaging infographics. You don't have to create these images manually. Instead, you can write a prompt and get the image. So this is for the water cycle. After that, real estate, another great example of another great use case of Nano Banana. And this is an aerial view of suburban neighborhood. As you can see, it's incredible. And after that, if you are into fashion and textiles, you can create some unique designs like patterns. And I asked if like it was like you can I've done it for Sindhi. I'm a Sindhi, so I've done it for Sindhi pattern. But you can try Moroccan, Egyptian, anyone that you like. After that, these are the seven different industries: marketing, media, creative, design, architecture. All these seven industries with like five forms for each industries, and you can just copy and paste, and you can generate see results for your on your own. So total there are 35 prompts, and I've tried some of these. And the ways how you can use it is first is Google's own AI Studio. You go into this URL and then type like select try Nano Banana, and then you can just paste in the prompt and click run. After that, you another option is to use sorry Another option is to use Google's Gemini, and inside that you just go into options and select create images. It will by default select this Nano Banana icon for you. And the third one is lmarena.ai. Here also you can choose this Gemini Flash model. If you choose image, it will automatically choose this model. So these were the use cases I thought to share in this video. You can just copy the prompt and try it yourself. One more thing as a pro tip, you can, if you keep on generating images from here in any of these places, you might run out of the limits. So you can try into incognito mode, and once the limit runs out, you can close the window and then try it again in the new window. So that's one of pro tip. And yeah, so these are some interesting use cases and business models. You can try and sell these options, like for example product photography. You can turn it into a pack of like five product images in for like maybe $100, and try getting customers for this. And yeah, a lot of use cases. You can think of like different business models, and people who already have these services can now deliver results faster. So this is an incredible development in the AI industry. Previously, like the use cases, previously there have been good developments in the AI image generation, but this one is just out of the park. So yeah, this is how I can help you. And if you are interested in any of these services or all of these services, just reach out to me, and I would love to have a closer look into your business and see how I can help you and where I can help you. Basically, first call is free, and then after that we move into a AI audit and then consultation. After that, I also do AI training if required as an add-on, and AI implementation is something that, like, if you want AI agents or like want to automate process, basically save 10 to 20 hours per week per employee. This is really incredible time to be a businessman and save costs, and without hiring more staff, get more work done. So yeah, this was all about the video, and I hope you got some value out of it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to like create more videos like this, or any specific topic that you want. I would like to learn from you, like what are the topics that are of interest. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you